Did you know that you can be alerted when a client sends in a form through Vacation Creations? All you have to do is go to your profile up here, that's your initials. You can click to edit your profile, and here you can actually put a picture on it if you'd like, and you can update any of your own information here. And then when you scroll down, you'll see the notifications. There's 4 different notifications that you can receive. You can receive one when your customer submits a form, when a customer completes an invite into the CRM, when a lead has been assigned to you, and then also when a customer submits a form through a reservation. You can choose to be alerted by email or be alerted in Vacation Creation system. And the way that works, don't forget to hit save, X out, is you'll see this mark on the little bell up here. So when you click on that, you'll see that I received 2 forms from Bruno today. I can click on either one, and I can go and see the form that's been submitted. I can scroll down and see that he sent in the cancellation form today and when it was submitted. So it's really nice to get those notifications. So just go in here to your profile, scroll down, and you can click if you want to receive it both ways, or if you just want to receive it one of the ways, that's fine too.